Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by making sure your working tree is safe. Stash or commit any uncommitted work so you won't lose changes. Once done, identify how many commits you want to remove and note the remote branch name because you'll rewrite history. Now run git log one line to find the commit before the ones to delete. You'll use its hash. Finally, choose between a soft reset to keep changes or a hard reset to discard them, based on whether you need the files preserved. You now perform the history rewrite. If you want to keep working files, run git reset soft with the target parent hash so changes remain staged. If you need a clean state, use git reset hard to drop changes. For selective removal, run git rebase I on the parent commit, then mark commits to drop or squash. Make sure to test locally and inspect git log after the operation. Once the history looks correct, you're ready to push the rewritten branch to the remote. You finish by updating the remote. Use git push force with lease to safely replace the remote branch while checking it hasn't changed upstream. Make sure to tell collaborators you rewrote history so they can rebase their work rather than accidentally reintroducing removed commits. If something goes wrong, don't panic. Use git reflog to find lost commit hashes and recover by resetting to the appropriate reflog entry. Finally, verify remote state and clean up any stray branches or stashes you created earlier.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.